Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Part of our expansion plan for the Shiv Sena is to ensure that we are in a competent position to make an impact, to fight and to be a part of the election which is due in Goa, whether it is decided by the Election Commission in 2026 December or 2027 February is yet to be seen. But there are many issues in Goa which we all know about, whether it's the employment generation, whether it's boosting tourism, and as the Mahayuti, we will contribute to the BJP and the Shiv Sena working collectively. The alliance is the same, the ideology is the same. We have decided that we will ensure, under the leadership of Eknathji Shinde and Shrikant Shinde, under the inspiration of Gajabhau Kirtikar, who has pioneered this office and this start in Goa. Here as the torch bearers to make sure that we boost, we address and we are solutions. We are not part of the problem, we want to be part of the solution, and in each assembly constituency, this is the beginning and there will be a huge outcome and outflow because we propose 40 shakas in 40 constituencies of Goa which will address the north-south Kushavati and make sure that every Goan who has a problem, who needs a voice, who needs a dedicated to common man leader, that solution is the Shiv Sena, Dhanushyaban and Eknathji Shinde.